Kevin.
Yeah, that's his name I just gave him.
Feed it. Vamoose, grab. Hey, that's mine. Shoot. Get out of here. Go on, feed it.
Can we keep him, please? I'll get the food for him. Walk him on things of newspapers.
No.
An explorer is a friend to all, be it plants or fish or tiny mole.
That doesn't even rhyme.
Yeah, it does. Hey, look, Kevin.
What? Get down! You're not allowed up there! You come down here right now! What? Sheesh! Can you believe this, Ellie?
Ellie? Hey, Ellie. Could I keep the bird? Uh-huh. She said for you to let me.
But I told him no. I told you no. N-O. I see you back there. Come on, get out of here. Shoot. Go annoy someone else for a while.
Hey, are you okay over there?